This channel here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite people to a Telegram group. So let's get started. Now you're going to open your Telegram. Open your Telegram apps, and now go to the group you want to add someone. Let me say, for example, this group now. Now what you're going to do is, let me show my tab. You click on the ear. Then you can see, then this is it. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Let's see. Okay, I think links. Okay, let me see. No, I think this is we're gonna copy this link. Okay, it is because it has I go have a general. From the general you can see, let me show you what it means. When we click on the one group that has the community, you cannot directly invite people to the community except you find the real group. And this is the general. You can see we have three groups here. We have general, we have introduction and announcement. If you click on the announcement, you cannot you have if I click on the announcement, well, look at this one, this introduction. I think we now have our invite link. We also have an invite link, I think. Okay, this is it. Directly from this, if you open it and you click on this, you can see there is no invite link around here, no invite link around here, except because it was created into three parts. There's a general, there's an introduction, and there's an announcement. So you have to choose which one you want to invite people to. So I'm going to click on the general here now. Click on the space, and you can see, just click on it, and then you can send the link of invite to the person, or you can just copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can go to any places. For example, now I want to add this person to that group. Now just come here and press long and paste it, and this is the link. Just send it to the person, and once the person click on this link here, it's going to divert the person to the group. I copy the invite link. So just do the process. It's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.